How was your experience with switching from science to entrepreneurship?
I would say it was not really a big transition because even though I'm a scientist by training, I'm more an entrepreneur by heart, and therefore also my entire research was always based on application-driven problems, I would say. And for me, it was always important to maybe have a transfer of this research to, give also something back to society, basically. So it was not a big step basically on the attitude side. But then on the flip side, all of a sudden it became serious when you have first customers, asking for the parts and things like this. So there was definitely a bit of transition and adaptation period when we first got in contact with customers, and things became a bit more serious at this stage.